Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use databases for research. Academic databases are powerful tools, far more reliable than general internet searches, offering curated, high-quality information. They provide access to millions of scholarly articles, journals, and publications, ensuring your research is credible. Unlike broad search engines, databases are specifically designed for academic inquiry, helping you find relevant and authoritative sources quickly and efficiently. Selecting the correct database is crucial for efficient research. Consider your topic. For example, a history project might benefit from historical abstract databases, while a science project could use specialized science databases. Many institutions offer multidisciplinary options, such as Academic Search Premier, a great starting point for many subjects. If you are unsure, your university library website often provides helpful guides or direct links to recommended resources. Mastering search techniques will significantly enhance your results. Use keywords and phrases relevant to your topic, combining them with Boolean operators like and to narrow results, or to broaden them for related concepts. For example, search climate change and policy. Refine your search using filters for publication date, peer-reviewed status, or source type, such as journal articles or dissertations, to precisely tailor your findings. Once you find useful sources, ensure you save them properly by downloading PDFs or emailing articles to yourself. Crucially, always note the citation information. Most databases offer a cite button, generating citations in various styles, like APA or MLA, though always double-check these for accuracy. Proper citation is essential for academic integrity, giving credit to original authors and avoiding plagiarism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.